Have you ever wondered if it's possible to remove tartar at home? Well, before we answer that question, let's understand what tartar is. Tartar, also known as dental calculus, is a crusty deposit that can trap stains on the teeth and cause discoloration. It forms when plaque, a sticky film of bacteria, hardens on your teeth. Why should we bother about tartar? It's because tartar creates a strong shield for bacteria that can lead to cavities and tooth decay. In severe cases, tartar buildup can lead to gum diseases. So it's crucial to remove it not just for a sparkling smile but also for good oral health. While professional cleaning by a dentist is the gold standard for tartar removal, there are home remedies that can help prevent and reduce tartar buildup. But remember, these should never replace your regular dentist visits. Now let's dive into the process of tartar removal at home. So, how does one go about removing tartar at home? Well, it's a multi-step process and it starts with your toothbrush. Regular brushing is your first line of defense. Choose a toothbrush with soft bristles and make sure to brush for 2 minutes twice a day. Don't rush, take your time to reach all areas of your mouth. Pay special attention to the gum line where tartar often forms. The second step, tartar control toothpaste. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill toothpaste. It contains ingredients designed to break down plaque before it hardens into tartar. Some even offer the added benefit of whitening your teeth. It's like a 1-2 punch against tartar and stained teeth. Brushing alone, though, won't cut it. Flossing is the unsung hero of oral hygiene. It cleans the tight spaces between your teeth that your toothbrush just can't reach. Make it a daily habit and your gums will thank you. Now let's talk about mouthwash. An antiseptic mouthwash not only freshens your breath but also kills bacteria that contribute to tartar formation. Swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds and then spit it out. Don't rinse with water immediately after. You want to let the mouthwash do its work. Here's a tip. Your diet matters too. Foods rich in vitamin C and calcium can help keep your teeth strong and tartar-free. So, go ahead, add some oranges and leafy greens to your shopping cart. Now for the more hands-on approach, dental tools. You can use a dental scaler and mirror to scrape off tartar at home. But be careful, these are sharp instruments. Apply gentle pressure and don't dig too deep to avoid damaging your gums. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to tartar removal at home. But let's be clear, these steps are preventive measures. They can help reduce tartar buildup, but they cannot replace professional dental cleaning. Remember, only a dentist can remove hardened tartar safely and thoroughly. Remember, these steps are preventive measures and can help reduce tartar buildup, but they cannot replace professional dental cleaning. While it's possible to tackle tartar at home, it's important to be aware of the risks and precautions. Let's dive right in. First off, you're dealing with your teeth here, the only set you've got. At-home tartar removal, if done incorrectly, could lead to damaging your gums or enamel, and trust me, you don't want to mess with that. It's a bit like walking a tightrope. You need to strike a balance between being effective and being gentle. You see, our mouths are intricate systems. The gums, the enamel, the teeth themselves, they all need to be handled with care. This is especially true when wielding dental tools. It's easy to get carried away and cause more harm than good. So if you're unsure about anything, it's always best to consult a professional. Your dentist knows your mouth better than anyone and can guide you through the process. Remember, it's not about being a hero. It's about ensuring the health and longevity of your teeth. Always prioritize safety when attempting tartar removal at home. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today about at-home tartar removal. We've learned that tartar is a hardened form of plaque, a sticky substance that naturally builds up on our teeth. It's unattractive and can lead to oral health problems if not properly managed. We've also explored a step-by-step guide to removing tartar at home. This involves a careful routine of brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash, along with a balanced diet and avoiding certain habits like smoking. However, it's important to note that these methods can only help reduce tartar buildup and are not a complete solution. The risks and precautions associated with at-home tartar removal were also discussed. We've highlighted the potential for gum damage and tooth abrasion if tartar removal is not done correctly, emphasizing the importance of gentle, regular care. While it's possible to reduce tartar buildup at home, remember that regular visits to your dentist are crucial for maintaining optimal oral health. Thanks for watching.